back to my channel Chitrakarma Art and Craft. This is special today as I am facing the camera for the first time to upload it in YouTube, and also this is the first month anniversary of this channel. Well, I hope you have already checked out all the videos and playlist of this channel. If you haven't, then please watch all the videos and the playlist of the channel. You will find many free tutorials over here. You will get to learn something every time you visit this channel. This is my promise to you. And yes, also you can find me over Instagram and you can follow me over there, as I'm super active on Instagram, and you can find many colorful contents over Instagram. So yeah, now let's talk about this video. In this video you will learn basics of patterns of mandala, with the help of which you can create beautiful intricate mandala like this one or like this one. I hope these are visible to you. So yeah, intricate mandalas always seems tough, but it is not in real. So okay, anyways, you just need to have patience and also the basics of patterns and the detailing of the patterns. So now let's start the video. But before this, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हो तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा मेरे चैनल को, और अगर you are already subscribing to my channel, then please check out whether you are pressing the bell icon over here in this section, because this is very important to press the bell icon, otherwise you won't get any video notification of this channel. So please subscribe कीजिएगा and notification bell को दबाइएगा, and also press the all button to get all the notifications of this channel. So yeah, let's get started.
Of course, a paper, a compass, a protractor of 360 degree or 180 degree, and some pens. Here I am using Bustro technical pen. So to start, I am using a scale to get the middle point of the paper by just measuring all the four sides of the paper and marking the middle point in all of the four sides. And then I am attaching all the opposite points to get the middle point. Then with the help of compass, I am drawing random circles around the middle point to get the grid of our mandala. With a 360 degree protractor, I am marking points in every 10 degree, like this, so that we can have our patterns right. And then I am attaching all the points to get the grid done. Completing this, with a pen, I am outlining the first circle, and then here I am giving hump pattern in the first row. Now then, I am giving another circle very close to the previous circle, and here I am giving petal pattern. In the third row, you can just continue with the same pattern like the previous one. And then outlining the next circle and giving borders in the patterns of second and third row. Then in the next second row, giving again hump pattern like this and giving borders in simple way. In the previous row, giving the exact same pattern like the second and third row. Here you can see in the sixth row, after outlining the border, I am giving hump pattern and petal pattern by attaching both and giving borders like the same way. Okay, now in the next row and the last row, I am giving lotus pattern and also giving borders in the same way. Now it's time to zoom in and follow the way I'm doing it. Have patience and you will get the perfect mandala. I am giving very easy pattern designing on every patterns. Here I am giving cross design in this hum pattern. In the blank place, I am giving small circles. Pattern, you can see a beautiful floral pattern. This is my favorite pattern. You can even make your own patterns to give detailing. Video I am showing you in a time-lapse way. You can even witness this in my IGTV video over Instagram. I will give the links of my social media handles in the description box below. Here I am giving more details on the patterns. I'm darkening the middle point. It's just a trick so that nobody will see your pencil marks. And this is the final look. Thank you for watching.